All right, I think we're live here. Let me check. Looks like we are. Awesome. Hey, my name is Aaron, and you are watching All Things Ethereum on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. We've got a quick live update. Axie Infinity came out with a new update to their basically a 1.2 version of the software that runs the game Mavis Hub, and just want to let you know on a couple things that you as an Axie player or a scholar need to know about. Axie Infinity has decided to limit SLP minting below 800 MMR. So if you are below 800 MMR in the PvP arena, you will not be able to earn SLP in arena nor in the adventure mode, and you won't be able to make it either on the daily quest. So unfortunately, that does limit some people with floor Axies that are playing them just grinding that 75 SLP per day out of the daily quests, playing in PvE and PvP, just doing the daily stuff. And so that has thrown a little bit of a wrench into the Axie marketplace. Let me show you my screen here. Floor Axies have dropped in price because of this, guys. So not much right now, but I did see this morning some pretty significant drops. I saw a bunch of really odd metas down at 0.023 ETH was the lowest. So about $130. Right now the floor is at 150 at 0.039. The price of Ethereum is going up today, is continuing to go up. In fact, we did bounce off this downward sloping support or resistance line that coincides with our most recent all-time high, and then most recent high, and then also all the way up to our all-time high up here at 43.80. We've drawn a line and we bounced right off of it basically to the dollar, guys, which is not surprising. We're gonna have this resistance at the or support, hopefully. I'm hoping for a retest of the because the 0.78 fib retracement here. Let me see if I can pull over. Yep, 0.78 retracement on the fib from the all-time high, and I'm hoping to see either consolidation or a complete breakout up to 4,000. I think 4,000 is going to be, or 33.95, somewhere in that range is going to be our hard resistance, next resistance point for us. Obviously, if you're not aware, BTC has broken out massively, went all the way up to just under $62,000 per coin, you guys. Incredible, and we got some good volume. We are continuing to go up on the 4-hourly MACD, and the RSI is starting to get in the overbought range, but we've been here before and relatively recently, so wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of consolidation here around 62,000, but we're here to talk about ETH, so let's continue to talk about ETH. $38,000 to $4,000 is going to be a pretty good range for Ethereum unless BTC really blows up. I don't see us moving past this until maybe the weekend or Monday. But back to Axie Infinity. Right now might be the best time to get yourself some cheap Axies if you know what you're looking for. I think a lot of these were dumps because of the possibility of not being able to win SLP under 800 MMR for some scholars and players. At least you can still play the game. Unfortunately, you will not earn, so that really hits the economics of the game as far as scholars and breeders and managers go. But I do think this will help the SLP price as minting will slow down, and hopefully burn will continue. And I really do hope that some of the better Axies, especially those who took their time to breed well will see the benefits of that in further um, versions of the game here as economics kind of rebalance with this new update. There were a couple other updates, nothing that I'm really want to talk about yet because I want to wrap my head around them. But this was the biggest one, guys. You will not be able to earn any SLP if you are under 800 MMR. So if you've got some, struggling Axies, you might want to pot them off sooner than later. Get them sold, rebalance your teams, and then get back in there. I might do the same with my original 3 Axies, and we'll see before the price of them drops off. But I'm going to look at some prices here. I don't want to look at the prices of my lower Axies, but I do want to look at the classic tank, plant card that I have. So just to see if prices are going up here or if they're going down on the pumpkin, carrot, Sirius, and cactus build. See what we got here. That updated everything? Yes, it did. Yeah, we're looking kind of lowish right now, especially we're looking at breed count 2s. I'm not sure why my Chrome extension isn't running at the moment to see what the purity is, but let's look at a purity of 6 or above, which so we're looking at 0.07. That's not great. It's not terrible. I think I paid about $300, which would be closer to 0.8 at this moment. I'm looking for a gain, obviously, with some of my investments right now, and right now is not the time, but I do think we're due for a flood of more participants in the Axie Infinity world, especially with the DEX coming up. We could see a massive influx with crypto going crazy. Obviously, BTC up over 60,000 again. We may see more people interested in investing in the cryptocurrency markets. I wouldn't be surprised if this is more popular after the the 4-year cycle happens with Bitcoin, just to see new investments come in. But for right now, we're just waiting for the prices of Axies to go up if you're an investor, or if you want to get in right now, now's a really good time. I would say that these prices are low in comparison to what I saw when I started and have seen for the last 2.5-3 months. So I might have to dig in. I don't really want to sell any of my Ethereum right now because it's going up still. So I'll have to debate that myself, but let me know in the comments what you're doing with this information. If you're 800 or below in MMR, what you're up to, if you're selling your Axies to try to get your profits out right now, or if you're trying to sell them to be able to buy new, or if you're breeding. Tell me what you're doing to try and stay above the curve, if you will, on that MMR scale. So to all my scholars out there, thank you for playing for me. Thank you for doing your best to stay above 800. I really appreciate the work you guys are doing, and I look forward to coming back with you to you with more Axie Infinity information next week. Thank you so much for watching. I got a short one for you guys today, but wanted to give you this live update about the Axie Infinity marketplace. Changing all the time, guys, changing all the time, and I hope to see a full report on what season 19 looks like very soon. Could be Monday, could be the following Monday. I understand that Monday is typically when new seasons start. So check back later, and I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.